Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart Home. Today we've got something exciting in store for you as we delve into the world of smart home technology. We'll be guiding you through the installation process of the August Smart Lock, your key to a more secure and convenient home. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Let's get started. So, you've got your hands on the August Smart Lock. The sleek design and cutting-edge features are about to transform the way you experience home security. Let's dive into the installation process. Step 1. Unboxing. First things first, let's unbox this beauty. Inside, you'll find the August Smart Lock, the August Connect, if included, mounting hardware, and a set of easy-to-follow instructions. Make sure you've got everything laid out before you begin. Step 2. Compatibility Check. Before diving into the installation, check the compatibility of your door and deadbolt. August provides a handy compatibility checker on their website, so give it a quick visit to ensure a smooth installation. Step 3. Remove existing hardware. Now, let's get hands-on. Start by removing your existing deadbolt. Use a screwdriver to take out the screws, and carefully detach the old lock from the door. Keep the screws. You might need them later. Step 4. Install August Smart Lock. It's time to introduce your August Smart Lock to its new home. Align the lock with the existing holes, and secure it in place using the provided screws. Make sure it's snug and level. Step 5. Attach faceplate. Next up, attach the faceplate. It easily snaps into place and adds that finishing touch to the installation. Now, your August Smart Lock is starting to take shape. Step 6. Install August Connect. If you have the August Connect, now's the time to install it. It enhances your smart lock's connectivity, allowing you to control and monitor your lock remotely. Simply plug it into a power outlet within range. Step 7. Download the August app. With the hardware in place, grab your smartphone and head to the App Store. Download the August app. It's available for both iOS and Android. Step 8. Set up your August Smart Lock. Open the app, follow the on-screen instructions to create an account, and add your August Smart Lock. The app will guide you through the setup process, including connecting to your lock via Bluetooth. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your August Smart Lock is installed and ready to enhance your home security. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more tech guides, reviews, and all things innovation. Until next time, stay tech savvy.